Hi, I'm Irina of Portugal's Kitchen. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we have a helper, Waldo, and today we are going to be making black gold cookies from our book here on page 20. This is $11.60 with postage. You can order it now for a Christmas delivery. Find us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, and please subscribe. Alright, let's get started. Okay, start off with a lot of butter, 340 grams or a cup and a half. Room temperature. And what else do we need? 150 grams of brown sugar. We have light brown sugar today. That's alright. And then all of it. And about half a cup or 64 grams of treacle, which is the same as molasses. Alright. And again, hope this doesn't fall out. Wait. There we go. Okay, we've blended our wet ingredients. And there's bits of butter in there. If you don't warm up your butter enough, you get little bits of yellow in there, but that's alright, it's well blended. So now for the dry ingredients, 300 grams of flour. What's next? 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. Cinnamon! Remember the cinnamon song? Oh, I don't have a teaspoon. This is our teaspoon. Oh.
It's your hand.
You know. A teaspoon of, we're actually going to use, if you're using dry ginger, put it in this mix. If you're using actual ginger, put it in with the wet. And we tried it with just dried ginger. However, this gives it more of a punch, and we like punch in this house, especially in karate, right? Just grate as much as you'd like. This is going to be very gingery.
Gingery.
Smells good. Okay, also a bit of vanilla.
Okay.
La la la.
Ooh,
Okay, what else is it? The flour, baking soda. Baking soda. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now it took us a while to get the variation of baking soda to baking powder right. It's not an exact science in this house. That'll do. And a bit more baking powder than baking soda. One helps it rise, one helps it spread. I'm not quite sure. That'll do. Okay, and then wait a minute.
Okay.
Bit of salt.
I just picked it up. That's what I've done.
Because we know what to do next.
And we need to get more salt in there.
Okay. Now.
Oh yeah, and the internet has not been going down at all for me anymore.
You want to?
Yeah. Can't see any of the sugar.
You smell the ginger already? And the cinnamon? Cinnamon.
I can only smell it from here, kind of.
Alright. Now, give that a mix.
Okay. Why did I do a different spoon from the last time?
Because the other spoon is dirty and I felt like using this one.
Oh. I got this spoon.
Okay, now we add the real fire, the crystallized ginger. About half a cup. This is a bit chunky, but that's alright. Alright. Now I'll give that a blend. Do you want to try a piece?
Yeah? No, but I already had one.
Did you like it? Okay, try this. No, that's what you want. You want it to be solid.
Is that what you want it to be like? All over the spoon? Okay.
It comes off! Well, this is sticky business. This is what that looks like. Now I need to chill the stove. It's a bit wet for maybe half an hour tops.
A few moments later.
We've got some that are chilled. Isn't that great? Now wait, where's our baking sheet?
It smells like a cookie, something like that.
You think it smells like a cookie? Alright. Now that we have some chilled dough here, we're going to try to divide it up into 14. First, we're going to make a cinnamon sugar to put on top. Make it a little bit more sparkly on the top. And just a little bit of white sugar. We're going for a lot of cinnamon lately. Just kind of drop it. Stir on a bit to make them nice and even. Perfect. We've lost our helper. So we're adding a bit more ginger. A little bits on the top. So they can go over the top. Alright, I think I switched down too much of the sugar. Now, these are my tester batch, about 28 grams each. So it's going to go in a 350 degree or 177 Celsius oven for about 8 to 11 minutes. Keep watching and make sure it doesn't burn, obviously. So, ready to come out of the oven. They've been in for about 10 to 11 minutes. There. They smell great. I actually want to wait a minute before you put them on the cooling rack, but why not waiting? A little bit more. Now in a few minutes, we'll plate up, and then a very simple cookie, but packs a punch. Let me tell you. And my family likes a punch. If they last that long, you put them on a nice plate. Let's do that now. It's a simple cookie, like I said, but it packs a punch. Oops. Sometimes they're a bit fluffy.
Okay, I think we're just going to fade that to the full plate.
Alright.
So,
Hi, so there you have it. A plate of black gold. A simple cookie, but packed with punch. It smells so good. It's got all kinds of ginger in it. It's got crystallized ginger, a bit of dried ginger, fresh ginger, all the gingers that I could think of in these cookies. It's on page 20 of our book. Here it is. Our very first cookbook has all of our cookie recipes from our market stall days. Order now for a Christmas delivery. Makes a great gift. Some people are ordering several, so that's a good sign. See you later. Bye.